Greetings, disruptors. It's Selena, and it's the day. Today is the day for the Clear Vision Workshop. I'm putting the final touches, and then I'm going to take a nap, and then I'm going to come connect with you at 7 p.m. Eastern tonight. So you still have time. If you have not registered and you're a business owner, you're struggling with increasing your revenue, you're feeling stagnant, just lost on ideas of what to do next to help. That's why the workshop is called Clear Vision, to give you some clear strategies, help you define your clear why, consider what the costs are for your clear why, and then we do money generating ideas. That's where all the magic happens and things break free. It helps you define your products and your services, and then we put a price to them to identify how many you actually need to sell to reach those numbers that you need. And it's not just about your business, it's about your personal life as well. You can't separate the two. It's what's going to give you that financial and time freedom so that you can live the life you love. So if you've signed up, tell your friends, tell them to come on. You got 2 more hours. You can sign up right up until 7 o'clock or after. I will still let you in. So come on and join the